Assalamualaikum, I'm Ili Nabila. Today I'll be doing a tutorial video about count functions in Microsoft Excel. Before I get started, I would like to inform I'm using Excel version 365 for this tutorial and also insurance survey data for the reference. As you can see here, there are about 3 different of count function. In this video, I'll be covering a group of count function. The first one is count, the second one is COUNTIF, and the third one is COUNTIFS. Also, I have provided the example question for this tutorial. So let's cover the count function first. How does the count function works? It will count how many that range contain number in the data. So to begin with the count function, key in the equal sign and count command. Select the years employed range of the data. Don't forget to close the bracket. Why did I choose the years employed data? Because count only function for the data that contain numbers. So the answer is 24. There are 24 people answered the questions. So let's proceed to the COUNTIF function. COUNTIF is one of the statistical functions in Excel. If you have a range of cells and you want to count the number of cells that meet specific criteria, COUNTIF is a great function to use. To illustrate how the COUNTIF function works, let's begin by entering the COUNTIF command. You can either type it out or click here. So the COUNTIF function takes 2 parameters. The first parameter is the range of the cells that you want to apply the criteria in this Excel. So in our example, the question is how many people that are married. So select the marital status. Okay, and the second parameter is to enter the criteria that will be applied against the range that I have selected. So the question is married, how many people that are married, and select the married. And the answer is 17. So there are 17 people are married in this insurance survey. Okay, and proceed to the COUNTIFs function. So in this question, provided is how many female is married. So COUNTIFs, if you have multiple criteria, you can use COUNTIFs function. What does it mean, multiple criteria? It's more than one criteria. So let's say we want to count based on how many female is married in this data. Okay, begin with the equal sign and COUNTIFs command. Okay, select the marital status. You can either select the marital status first or the gender first. You can do 2 ways. And then the first parameter is the range, and the second parameter is the criteria. So the criteria is married. Continue with the gender range, and the criteria is female. So the answer is 10. 10 female is married in this data. So this covers a simple example of how to use Excel's COUNTIFs. So hope that this will help you. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Have a nice day.